Hi there, Mike Leston here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. Along with the ability to import tunes from an exported PDF or website, I've now added the ability to import tunes from an exported CSV file, either from this tool or from the ABC Tags to CSV Extractor tool. I'll give you a couple of examples. So I'll go ahead and open up a tune book here. So again, the local cultist chapter book, and I'll go ahead and export this as CSV. And we'll call this CCE1.csv. And now it's possible to import that CSV right back into the tool. So you could just do import CSV, point it at that file, and we get the tunes back. Where this is much more interesting is using this feature in coordination with the ABC Tags to CSV Extractor for those of you who are doing some kind of data analysis on the ABC and want to get the tunes back into the editor after doing some work in a spreadsheet. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm in the ABC Tags to CSV Extractor, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up the Paul Hardy tune book here. And I'm going to go ahead and export a CSV of it. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up that CSV file in the Apple Numbers spreadsheet, but you could also use Microsoft Excel or online, something like Google Sheets. And you can see here we have all of the tags, the file name, and then all of the ABC tags. And then finally at the far right, we have all of the share links. So let's say we wanted to do something like sort this based on the origin of the tunes, the O tag here. And I'm going to go into Organize, Show Sort Options, and I'm going to sort on the O tag. And you can see now that the tunes are now in the order of the O tag name. So we have Australia at the top, and then a bunch from England, and then finally at the very bottom we get USA, and then Wales at the very bottom. So I want you to notice here that the first tune in the list now is the Mudgee Waltz, followed by the Orataba Waltz, and we'll look at the very end, and you can see the last tune is the March of the Men of Devon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to export this as a CSV file. So we're going to say export to CSV. And we want to say include table names. Let's make sure that there's a header at the top. And we're going to save it. And we're going to just call it ph sorted.csv. And now I'm going to go back into the ABC tools and I'm going to import that CSV file. So go to import PDF, website, or CSV, import tunes from a CSV file, and then point it at that ph sorted.csv. And it's read in the 699 tunes. And again, you can see with the Mudgee Waltz and then the Orataba Waltz at the top, go down to the very bottom, last tune, the March of the Men of Devon. So this is an extremely powerful tool for those of you who are doing stuff like data analysis on ABC tunes and want to use external tools to sort or filter your collections of tunes and then be able to bring back those into the tool for further editing or creating tune books. Let me show you one requirement of these CSV files. So I'm going to go ahead and open this in a text editor. And if you look at the very top of the file, in either the first line or the second line of the file, you need to have the standard CSV field name header. So this needs to be present. There needs to be a field in the file called share URL, and that column needs to contain valid ABC Transcription Tools share links, and that's what's created by either the export share URLs as CSV in the tool or by the ABC tags to CSV Extractor tool. And this can, like I say, can be either the first line or the second line. I'll give you another example here of one that was created by the tool itself. And you can see, for example, in this case, the very first line has the CSV tag name. So that is a requirement. And generally, if you're using the tool itself or the extractor tool for CSV export, that'll be present. The key is when you're exporting your CSV files from your spreadsheet or other tools, you want to make sure that that CSV field name line is present and that there is this field called share URL, and it does correspond to the column that will contain all of the share URLs. So this is an extremely powerful feature for those of you who are using the ABC tags to CSV Extractor and are doing some kind of data analysis or sorting or filtering of large tune collections and still want to be able to get that data back into the ABC tools to generate, for example, a PDF tunebook or a tunebook website from the manipulated tune data. If you have any questions or requests for additional features, please drop me an email or send me a note in the Facebook group.